Alright, good evening guys. My name is Oluwato Singh and I'm sorry for taking a break on my page. It's been a while. Today I'm going to show us how to create this beautiful design interface. The desktop application, as you can see, this is the dashboard. So we'll be doing this today with Microsoft Access. So we're going to be building everything on this phone from scratch with Microsoft Access. Alright, shall we start? Let me close this. I'll open it again so that you can see that it's accessible. As shortcut, I'll open it. Alright, it comes this way. As you can see, it's fully responsive as soon as the form stretches. You see, this one even came out of the background as soon as there is no space for it. So let me widen it a little bit more. See, there is here. See. All right. Look at the size of these buttons there. As soon as you expand this, it expands with it. It's fully responsive. And look at this button. Look at this thing, dark thing. Can you change to dark thing? Okay. Alright. So I'm going to have to close this now. So I will start everything afresh. Alright. Alright, I'm going to be taking reference from the screenshot I got from the app. So let me open my screenshots and look at it. So each time I need something to pick, I'll take reference from it. As you can see, this is the screenshot of that page. Okay. I'm going to minimize this. Well, then, I'll minimize this and then I'll open my access. Right. Blank database. And then I'll name it. Let me just name it. Responsive menu. Oh, great. Alright, for now I don't need all these tables. I'm going to delete them. So I'll create form. Yes, use form design. I'm going to enlarge this one a little bit. Alright, the first thing I want to make sure is that this form is a pop-up form. Click on, make sure this angle is checked. Or you just click outside here and go to this property sheet. Under order, you see the first option there is pop-up. I'll change it to yes. So if I go to form view now, you see the form is, you can move it around. So go back to your design view. So some properties also I'll change. Record selector, I'll change it to no. Record navigation, change it to no. I think that's all. Yeah, our form is better now. Scroll bar, okay, let me remove the scroll bar. Design view, scroll bar. Change it to neither. Alright, our form is better now. It's clean. Okay. Alright, I'll go back to the design view. What do I want to achieve now first? Let me look at the picture. First, let me achieve this header section. Header section there. Okay. I think I'll be using this rectangle tool. And let me draw this like this. Click and drag. I'm going to give it this fill. Let me use this for the fill. Yes, I think it's fine. Outline. The outline should be transparent. C. Check the picture. Alright, we are getting there. So, but there is one issue. If I maximize this, you see the line, this header does not stretch with the form. So I have to go and amend that. Right, click on it and go to arrange. Anchoring, I will stretch across top. Stretch across top. So whenever I maximize this form now, no matter the shape, it will stretch and contrast with it. Contract, I mean, with it. Okay? Alright, that's fine. So what's the next thing I want to achieve here? So let me achieve this navigation side, the buttons, I mean the menu side. So, alright, I will still use the same box. Let me draw this from here down here. Okay, let me check the color. Okay, format, fill. I think this should be fine. Let's give it this. Okay. Outline, transparent. Okay. So let me anchor it. Anchor is stretched down so that whenever I maximize, the box also stretches down with it. You see? Stretches down with it. Okay. That's good. Go back to your design view. So what do I want next? Okay, let me add this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 buttons. So this is the button. Click on it, and then I will add it here. Okay. Cancel. We don't need the wizard for now. So I'll format this. Shape fill. Let me check the picture. Check fill. No fill. That's transparent. Outline. Transparent also. Or let me just give you the same fill as this. Okay. Right. The same fill as this. Okay. Alright, I'll Control C, Control V. Control C, Control V. I need, how many do I need? Control V, 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. I think I need 12 at least. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Okay, I need 11. Alright, this last one. Okay. Alright. What I'll do now is I'll count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 5. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Move this up. I'll like this first. Move this one down. Stretch this. Alright. Okay. Now we have 11 buttons. So I'll be needing this, what's it called? I'll be needing a label for this and this. That's for this navigation and this area. So I'll use this label. Let me draw this label here. Alright. I'll call it. Let me format it. Check fill. Give it this. No, that's not right for me. I think that's better. Give this Control C, Control V. I'll bring it here. I think it's fine here. Alright. This one is main navigation. This one is user area. So I'll give this one navigation. adding top margin, top margin 0.5 should be okay. Now I think that's okay. Yeah, 0.5 is okay. That's fine. So let me check the fonts. Area rounded, not bold. Okay. Centralized. Should I centralize? Is it centralized? No, it's not. So I'll flush it to the left. Okay. Alright, let me change the caption for this button. My time is going. This is okay. Let me bring this one to the side. Alright. Dashboard. Fonts. UI elements. Tables. Presentations. And this is profile. Or Twitter, Facebook, settings, and logout. All right. Okay. I think this is fine. So let's view on the form view. Let's see. Our form is doing just fine. Let's give it an over color. The buttons, so whenever we over on it, the color will indicate that our mouse is on top of it. So I like all the buttons together and then go to over color. Let's say is this. I think. Okay, that's good. Over for color. Over for color. It's white. So like this. Okay. Alright, I think this is better. Alright. I think this is just fine now. If you look at this from very well, we have a label here that indicates which section you are on. Whenever you click this button, any of these buttons, this label here changes. As you can see, this one is checked now. It's clicked. I mean, as it is clicked, the label here is showing the corresponding caption for it. So let's add that label. Design view. I will add this label here. Let me place it somewhere here. Space. Type space. Alright, let me check the fonts. Let me give it this and then 13. Alright, I think that is good. Okay. Let me change the font color. Change it to this color. Alright. But for now you cannot notice anything. So alright. So let us. What should we do next? Let me check the form. Okay, I want to put a command that whenever I click any of this button, the color should remain blue. It should remain blue whenever a button is active. It should remain blue. Okay. All right. Let's just go back. Let's go to the code builder as events on current or anyone code builder. Clear this one. It doesn't matter anyway. So what I will do now, I will create a private function. private function. I'll call it any name. What should I call it? Okay, I'll call it any name. Private function, any name. Alright. Okay. What I want to do is whenever I click that button, the active button color should be blue. me.activecontrol.backcolor should be equals to. Okay, I want it to take dressing from here, from this. I want the back color of the clicked button here to be equal to this back color of this box. So let me get the name of this. This is box 0. So it should be equal to me.box0.backcolor. me.box0.backcolor. Let's save it. Let me give this one a name. Navigation. Okay. Alright. Let me highlight this. I'm going to highlight this one. Copy. And come back to this place. Highlight all the buttons. And then I will give it this event on click should be equals to this function. Whenever you click any of these buttons, that function should run. And let's see if it's going to run. Okay, you see. Alright, whenever I click it, it remains blue. It remains blue but and doesn't change back to white. Yes, that's a disaster. So let's adjust it. Close this one up. All right. Okay. I need to create a loop for that. So let me get the names of these buttons. Command 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, okay? From 2 to 12, okay? Alright, I'm going to group the name because all the name, I will not change the name, all the names start with command and from number 2 to 12. So I will group the name with that command name and then create a variable to handle the numbers behind it. So for, let me call it AUX is equals to 2 to 12. For AUX equals to 2 to 12, me command and AUX dot back color is equals to me dot detail. Should it be detail? Let me check the color code from here. Formats. What color? The color code is 217 226 217 226 243 217 226 243 217 226 243. Okay, should be equals to RGB all right. Okay, let's see. Let's end the loop next. You see, it's working. It does not remain blue anymore. And what happens is whenever I click this button, ActiveControl.back color will change to the back color of this one. At the same time, it will return every other ones to this color. Okay, I think that's just fine. Okay, time is fast, right? All right. What we're gonna do next. Okay. Whenever I click, I want the font color to change to white. So let's say ActiveControl.font color is equals to new.detail.back color. This side is the detail. The back color of this detail is what it will give, because we've not given it any color. So whenever we click, I want it to pick color for me. I don't want to add code the color there. I don't want to put any color like this one. So let's see. See, whenever I click now, it's picking the color, but it's not returning back. It's not returning back the color. So I will have to add it here. Command and AUX for color is equals to VB black. VB black. Let's see. I think it's working just fine now. Okay. All right. Next thing I want to do is, let me check the name of that label. This label name is label 16. Now let me rename it LBL info. LBL info. Alright. Whenever I click any of these buttons, I want LBL info to display the name of that button. I mean the caption of that button. Alright. Whenever I click me.lbl info. Did I not rename it? LBL info dot caption is equals to me dot ActiveControl caption. I think that's all. See, dashboard, forms, Twitter, Facebook, settings, logout and logout. All right. I think our form is coming through. Let's compare it to this one now. Okay, I think it's fine. I think it's getting closer to it. Okay, let me adjust the width of this. Bigger. Yeah. Let me put this one a little bit. Alright, I think it's better now. Okay, each of these walls have their own pages, so I'm going to try and add pages to this. So let me go to the design view of this one. Let me close this. I need space. I need my space. Alright, so from this navigation, I'm going to add this tab control. So try it from here to the end. Right. Control page. So I have how many buttons here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I have about 12, right? 12. So I will add from here to 12 pages. Let's say insert, insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Okay, we have 12 pages now. So what I want to do now is, whenever I click dashboard, as soon as I click dashboard, I want the cursor to be on this. Whenever I click this one, I want this to become active. If I click this element, I want this to become active. Okay? So simple as that. Alright, how should we do it? Okay, let's use get focus. We'll use get focus on that. Still on this side. Okay, still on this side. Okay, I think what I want to do is I want to use this number, the number behind all the tabs, to get them. I'll compare the number behind this tab with the number behind the names of this button. What do I mean? Look at the names of this button. Look at this button now. Let's check the name. Look at the name. The name is command 2. It has not changed. This is just a caption. All these ones are captions. Look at this name, command 3. UI element command 4. So I want to compare this number behind the names with the number behind the names of this one and use it to get it. This one is page 18. I will compare this 18 to the name of this one and use it to get it. Okay, let's get on that. I think let me declare a variable for this. Let's dim num as integer. Dim num as integer. Okay, and then num is equals to. So I want to get the number of this one, the two number behind this. It's equal to the right right of this one. Okay. Right of ActiveControl. Right of ActiveControl dot name. The right of ActiveControl dot name, comma, the length, how long, should be 2. Let's say 2. Right of ActiveControl dot name. Let's see if we are correct. So whenever I click this one, I want a message box no. Right. Okay. The hell? The expression you encounter as property of error mismatch. Wait. What the hell? Is it this? Is it this? Okay, I think that one has a problem. ActiveControl on name. Name, right control. Oh, okay. This is integer. Okay. Let's see this ng. Let's convert to integer and see what happens. Convert that to. Alright, I think I know where the problem is. Let's check. So what I'm asking the system to do is to get the last 2 numbers or alphabets by the right of the active control name. If you look at this active control now, look at the name. I'm asking it to get this, the last two, and then I've declared an integer variable. I think that's why it's giving that issue. If you see, I think if I click this one, it should be able to work. If I click this one, let's see, or this one, okay, these two, these three should be able to work. Let's see. And you see, it's working because they have two numbers behind, but this one will not work. These ones will not work, but this last thing will work. So what we have to do, we have to figure out a way to get that number without using rights. Okay. Let's see. Okay. All right. I will not encode this. So ActiveControl.name, then len of ActiveControl.name len minus command command 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 minus 7. I think that should do. Alright, I think that should do. What I'm trying to do now is, instead of coding that to there, it will look at the length of the ActiveControl.name and then minus 7 from it. 7 in the sense that this 7 is the length of this first, the name command. It will minus the length of this name. Then what you will see now remaining is the last digit of it. This should work. I think. Let me start here. Okay, working. You see, it's working. I was scared. It's working now. So I can now compare this number. I can now compare this number to the number behind this one. Let me check the first one. The first one is 2. What's the difference between 2 and this 18? I think it's 16. If I add 16 to 2, it should be 18. So let me add 16. Num is equals to all these ones plus 16. Alright, if I click on this now, okay, it should be 18. Click on this one, it should be 19. Click on this one, it should be 20. Alright, that's good. So now the value of this num now is equals to all these corresponding. If I click on this, if I click on the last one, it should give me 29. No, I don't get it. Set it 27. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11. Okay, no need this page. I have to delete it later. Okay, so what I'll do now is I will me dot page and num me dot page and num dot set focus. Me dot page and num dot set focus. Let me disable this message box. You see? Dashboard is dashboard, form is form, element is element. I click on presentation, you have presentation, and you are here on this page, on the corresponding page. Wow, this is fine. So let me delete that last page, I don't need it. It's SS. I'll delete page, okay. let me make this one responsive as well. Design view, in my space. I'll click on this and then go to arrange anchoring. This time around I will stretch down, because whenever I expand to the right, I want it to stretch across. Whenever I expand down, I want it to stretch down also. So I will stretch down and across. Stretch down and across. Alright, so as I open this, it stretches. As I open this, it stretches. If I maximize, stretches, I minimize, contracts. Alright, so what I want to do now is, I want to remove this one. I don't want people to see it. I don't want you to know. But for now, let me just leave it. Let me leave it for now, for design sake. Let me leave it. So I think for now this is all. Please, guys, don't forget to like. Please share this video. Please follow up. Please, you guys just watch it. Don't follow and you don't subscribe. Please subscribe. I need your help, seriously. As you can see, I have just 9 subscribers and it's not enough. I can't get what my grandma promised me because of you guys. So please just help me and subscribe, okay? Right, we'll continue in the next video. My time is up already. I have just like a minute remaining. Thank you very much. God bless.